guys? It's your boy Noli and
your girl Millie,
and you're watching The Hooks Family.
I have food in my mouth. You guys are watching The Hooks Family. Let's go.
It's Valentine's Day, guys. We're gonna have fun. Come on.
She's ready to try stuff, you guys.
Oh, fool. This is yours.
Thank you.
Enjoy the food. Let's talk. Let's have a little session here, guys.
Yes, we got pounds and pounds and pounds of king crabs, corn, red potatoes. It's crazy right now. We got a charcuterie board, lobsters, asparagus. It's going down. Yeah, it's going down. You want another cheese? Okay.
Oh. I said whole lemon. I thought it was something else. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna put that in slow motion. Whoopie.
Alright, baby.
I'm eating. I'm hungry.
I guess we're just gonna get this messy because it's no way not to. So,
Yeah.
holy cow. Look at this, you guys. Yeah, this ain't no games. We paid a pretty penny for this.
I'm gonna try to do that. I think I do. He cracked it open, but this shit feeling like this for simplicity. That shit fell out though. I don't know how you have made that shit fall out. I know, right?
You cook
You
it
scared? She's like, oh my gosh.
You want some too? Mommy give you some.
Yeah, this is bigger than
Oh.
my head though.
Cut it open, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, the meat, he had to meet this. Oh shit, dude. Pardon my French. Damn, it's like cutting somebody wrong.
This is homemade butter for me. I'll tell you guys the ingredients while I'm eating. It smells good all day. I've been dying, you guys.
And she y'all talking for her mother. We can't enjoy it. Don't meat.
Unsalted butter, black pepper. Oh my god, this is so good. I did a extravagant job.
Yep.
She said,
Now let's talk about Valentine's Day, guys. Today, got up. You know what I'm saying? We've been sleeping late lately. We be up. We just be parlaying. Mostly because little Flintstone right here. But today we went and got pedicures. Right?
we did. We went to my favorite person who does pedicures. They did a great job.
I thought if I go there, I'm not, because the last time was a dude over there. I'm not getting no, ain't no dude on my feet. That's just weird. We did that.
Kelly said it's not my fault.
It's always your fault. What you mean, man?
She said no.
But we had cupcakes, balloons, roses. We should have a rose on the table right now, but they in the room. It's okay. If you want to see the roses, watch another video. Cause it's gonna be this one or another one. I'm pretty sure another one.
But check out this charcuterie board. This is easily $20. Everyone who loves this know what I'm talking about. Thanksgiving, everything. I remember my friends used to think like, oh, no, this is fire. You have different types of meats, cut up salami, all that.
Yep.
Fire. And that's not cheap. Even the cheese.
Hell no, you gotta be doing YouTube to buy that shit.
And even this. Oh, we're doing YouTube. Let's go. Okay, Mama give you one. She went all the way back. Look at this.
Oh, made me dripping on my clothes.
Huge.
Wait, I'm still eating the same leg. I have to rip it open. Is that meat right there? Might be. Pause.
You can dip anything. Zucchini, squash.
Last here we go. Let me corner it up real quick.
But this is fire.
Oh.
Yeah, so you guys got this. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Homemade butter. We got the charcuterie board. We got the boil. Let me get some of this too.
Yeah, bro.
This is where it's at. I'm gonna get a whole freaking red potato. Right
Whoa.
now. Dip it
She let me skin it
in.
off. Like double eggs.
Fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
And it got that spicy kick.
Baby wants some? Here you go, mama. She got her own. Look,
Sausage in here.
look at her. She
You know,
got
sausage is spicy.
Babe, look at her.
You got pepperoni. Just don't touch
She
me.
with it.
Mashed potato.
You look really good.
You look really good.
You look really good.
You look really good. Gosh, what? Zucchini. So the sauce, it cures anything, guys.
It's really spicy. Has everything. But dang. Yeah, show them how it's done. I can't touch my hair.
Maybe like, I don't do all that. No Slurpee. That's just spicy, huh? Ah! Got her.
No, I got him.
I know that sound. I grew up with that sound.
He
Thanks,
knows
Dad.
that sound too. He knows that sound too.
Yeah, my dad used to do that. I mean, like, that's good. But oh, he'd be chilling still, like, damn. And it comes from my dad's sauce that he used to make.
I put love into this. I got chili. You guys don't understand. Look at that. That happened when I pulled the crabs out. It squirted juice.
Damn, that's strong. That one don't want to crack. Up to break. Big ass legs, man. That shit like, it's like a, I don't say it though. Look at it. Ooh! Ooh!
I'm over here.
Some over here. I'm not in there. Ain't no corona going on.
Nope.
Ooh! There we go.
The peppers got to me. Because we ain't playing with the peppers.
Yeah, let's get back to the feet, man. We got our feet on, right? Damn. The lady was massaging my feet, right? It was like Debo was massaging my feet. That shit was hurting. I was trying to be a man about it. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. But I had it done before, so I don't know why I was thinking that. I was like, man, let me just... I paid all this money, like, like it was ripping the skin off my toes, like, I was just taking it. Pause again. But, it was crazy. This shit was good too, y'all. If you haven't done these, make sure you go to your crab shack, wherever you guys have around you. If you can cook, do it at home. Should do a mukbang and fuck, shout us out, man. Do whatever, dude. Just look at this. Alright, bye. What you want, some cheese?
You guys, I have a serious pepper. Ooh.
Damn.
We still got lobsters.
I'll pass one of those right now.
I still got a cough. I'm not gonna
Let
lie.
me see the whole. Really filming this 4K stuff. The video be running out sometimes, y'all. You never know. Back-to-back videos.
Look at this. Check this out. Real life.
Huh? Is that for me?
This is for you.
I'm dripping though. Look at all this.
He's dripping, and we ain't talking about, but
how you do this?
damn, he just.
Oh shit.
Alright. So, do what you want.
I know they
crack the shell open.
back. They used to do that shit. Pause again. But you can't.
That, but yeah, I already started it right there.
Oh, that's why I can't. Just cut it and then.
No, these are monsters. Like, look at my boy.
Ow!
I got him.
That shit poked me.
Me too.
Pause, man. Well, that shit hurt.
Okay, Kaylani is not waiting.
Pepperoni and salami and cheese. This thing ain't playing. Homeboy about to get it. Wrap your back, nigga.
I don't want her. I don't
There,
want
give
your
her
outfit
these.
to get messed up.
Just calm down. She got you in a second. She got you in a second, baby. Man, this shit sharp too, though. I should have used. Man, something ain't right. I need a sport. I can't get this thing. Ow! He didn't poke, but he's sharp ass. Okay, guys, hold on.
Hold on.
Use my spicy. That's the spice, man. Come on, she choking. She called on that pepper or that Louisiana. What's it? That spicy stuff, man. It'll get you. Just make my nose run.
Yeah. Y'all are probably gonna see all that.
I might start sweating soon too, but it's okay. But yeah, man, we doing these videos, man. We trying to lock them in, guys.
Damn, that one got me.
We going full time, full fledged.
Alright.
Damn. I know I did something wrong because I don't remember if I can do that. But
Oh, he got the lobster. I'm sorry.
yeah, man. Ow. Cut this thing right in the middle because I know I'm doing wrong, but it's okay. Bless you, baby.
You too. See, you guys, it's not a joke.
She said, "You too." Kalani said, "I didn't have none."
She sneezed.
This thing,
She
look
didn't
at
have
that, man.
none, but
All that meat, bro. That's not. It's not right, man. Hey, you know what? I'm getting too old for that. Forget that game. I need to forget that.
this is a worthy bite.
I almost said something else funny, but I can't say it. That is a gang of meat. Oh, even that one. That is a lot of seafood.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
I think I got it.
I know I have it on my chin, but
There's still some in there, but look.
oh my god.
Got it. I got it.
Bro, we paid a lot of
I got
money
it.
for this.
Yeah, man.
This is not
Let me
cheap.
taste it without the.
This is not cheap, so I don't care what you see on my chin right now, you guys.
I just don't want my clothes, man. I feel like a lady now. Come on.
I don't too. But I like her.
The YouTubers. I never had this much before. This is crazy. The flavor is kicking.
I'm gonna put some potato in there.
You should have pressure was on me.
You put everything
You
in.
should smack. Straight lobster.
I am jealous of that bite.
We got on the other side. We got so much food. Let me get set up for her. Cause that was, I did see the shell. I went behind the shell on the side right here.
Yeah, all mine are empty right
Like
now.
frying it up.
I'm gonna start putting them where?
And we should went live for y'all one time. Show y'all this before we start going, cause this is crazy.
I got this right here.
Woo.
That's for the fun time.
This is hard to look, y'all. I'm telling you, this is like monster right here. This he don't want to. He's like, nah.
Here. Okay.
There you go.
For me?
Yeah. We got so much food.
We do.
We got the double muck.
What the?
Told you.
He just gave me $100 worth of food right now. Like, I'm not joking. This is the real lobster. Dang. I love you too. No, I'm not joking. Like, this is a lot. Like, this is a portion. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Woo. No wonder. It should. Spicy meatball. Hidden? What's it hidden?
What is this?
Hey, I'm keeping mine. She getting Teresa. She's on a hamburger. I'm trying not to do all that.
Did you say a hamburger?
Hamburger. That's awful.
I'm
she was
trying
like,
not to.
she
But
was like,
no, like,
yeah.
This is just messy. And this is what you guys signed up for. Okay?
she back here getting messy too. She good though. Tastes good, huh?
Why is she doing that though?
As long as she's quiet, right, y'all? Right, all you parents out there? Get your videos done, man. It's been hard.
Oh my god.
Carving up.
And then he gave me like $100 piece, but like, look at mine. I still have plenty.
Yes,
This is crazy. This is for y'all. So
take your time, baby.
yep.
Yeah, I can't. You can't take your time.
Okay.
Relax.
Here, I'm gonna give you some of the mild butter. Okay? Tell them what you think. She didn't get the same one as me and Dad. Oh, you still got she got filet mignon. Here, mommy, take that.
Oh. Big ass.
Guys. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Whew. Man, dude, that shit hitting. Let's see how much time we got.
10, 13.
You know, was that 20 minutes?
Ooh.
Had to run off the card, y'all. Well, y'all don't know about that. Cause I need a new PC. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give me a super laptop though, so we can start traveling again.
You gonna do a cheers?
During this pandemic. A cheers. What on?
Whatever you want. That's gonna be my good piece.
I ain't got none. What you want?
Butter?
I'll cheer. Here. You want a cheer? Here you go. Spice up your line. Woo. I don't know. Oh. Oh, it's already coming out. Easy peasy. No. Sound machine. Yeah. A little cut. We in here, guys. I'm loading this up straight, so I'm not even gonna do no editing. For some of it. I'm showing all that, but this shit is slapperifical. What does that mean? I don't even know. Something happened. The shrimp just, the crab is fire! That should have come out. You full?
I know, I just wanted to see that bite. I knew it was gonna be good. Ooh. Here.
You got some nuts? They good to go?
Some zucchini. Oh, I got everything.
Anything else
We
to talk
got
about?
everything in here. Yes. Everything to talk about. You guys already know. It's the Hooks family. We got so much going on. This sauce is incredible though. I don't want to say it just because I made it cool.
Just say it, it's fire. It's good,
Fire.
it's good. Oh shit, that was not supposed to happen. What kind of crab leg is this?
That's what happens. It's not supposed to happen. But
She's trying to attack me.
alright, guys.
Splash, but I don't even get on me. What the hell?
But yeah, we got more prank videos, mukbangs, things we're doing, upgrades, everything. So we appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for watching.
Yeah, man. Keep watching,
We
y'all.
love you guys. Check out this charcuterie board, babe. Pick up. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Oh, I'm gonna snack on that later.
We snack on it
now?
now. Yeah, feel me.
Ooh, I'm getting
Yeah.
my bites in.
But yeah, we got so much seafood. I'm so happy. Oh my God. What you want, baby?
Come through, we'll share. Ah, yep. That's it, y'all, man. So, why don't y'all subscribe for the vibe, man? Baby Carolina over here, she got her cheese. Look at her. What? They should? She said subscribe for the vibe, y'all.
I
We out.
agree. I agree. So we out. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that. We love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. And I
Happy
hope you
Valentine's.
guys enjoyed your day with your special loved ones. And everybody else there for us. We appreciate it. But we about to really get into this. So check out the next video. And we out.
Peace. Ow! That was tough. My hands. I cut my fucking ass. How come this one can record for that long? I've been out of space before. I don't get it.